What's up, guys? Matt here, MJ's Garage, and that's right. We're back to talk about the old Night Rider sitting back here in the back, and just want to kind of give you guys an update on what's been going on here for quite some time. Just been building a house and working on some things, so we've been super busy, and I do apologize for not making any videos, but I'm gonna get back on it, and there's a lot of videos that I want to work on. Still got the 7 Series. Still got the X5, still got the Tesla, got rid of the Mini last month, and working on the Ram right now. So we're fixing to jump in and talk about a few things. So check it out. So let's talk about the old Night Rider. Why'd I call it Night Rider? It's all black, beautiful, fast, and finally opened this thing up, brought it back to be alive, and so just want to give you guys an update on what we've done here. I do apologize about the mess. Washed the truck earlier. Here we got the 5-inch straight pipe all the way back. Why is it sitting like that, you're going to ask? Well, guess what? Matt decided to order the pipe without telling him it had air ride in the back. So we got to do some modifications there. No big deal. We'll work it out. We'll get the kinks worked out. But besides that, sounds great. Also did the EGR delete. Got rid of that piece of crap. And going to be doing the dual fuelers. Might be doing some injector work, doing some, I don't know. Hadn't decided. I just want to see how the truck's going to act with this new tune. Let's jump on the inside. Let's see what it sounds like when we crank it up on the inside of the cab, what it sounds like on the outside of the cab. So here we see we got old Raceme. Now this tuner's been out for some time now. Very popular in the Rams. This bracket's what came with it. We're gonna go ahead and get the other bracket that you can mount right here underneath the grab bar. Drops down, gets out of the way, out of view a little bit. This is not bothering me too much. So let's go ahead and crank it up, see what it sounds like on the inside of the cab. Nice little rumble. Check that out, guys. 19.4. It was 5 before I backed it in, but that's what I'm averaging. Drove about 300 miles yesterday. Seeing between 24, 21, running about 74 mile an hour. Super smooth transmission. Why did I go with this tune? We're going to talk about that here in a second. But some different settings. You know, you got the shift on the fly, but it's going to be on the monitor. Right now, running it on street. That's going to be on the 120. Then you got 150, 180, stop, and then tow. So yeah, I'm super excited. Everything runs smooth. Everything just flows good. I was kind of worried about some things, but guys in Canada, they're awesome. You know, you want to get some work done, you go to Canada and get it done. Just before I forget, they do have. See, you might be wondering, why has it got the rumble exhaust? I didn't hear it. I hear the hiss. So this is, you got 2 different tunes you can select for real time. You got the hiss, and then you got the rumble. The hiss is gonna make it sound like a 6.0. The rumble is gonna make it sound like a Dodge. Okay. I like both of them, but it's nice that you can also have best of both worlds, baby. Let's jump on the outside. Over here on the outside, good old Dodge sound, boy. Ain't nothing like a Dodge, and it's loud too, boy. You get on it, it's loud. So some of you guys are gonna ask, why the Raceme instead of the Easy Link, instead of EFI? So I don't know. I just read a lot about the Racemes, and this was definitely the easier way to go. And also, I don't have to worry about somebody hacking in my files, monitoring my truck, so on and so forth. So that's what I did. And also, I got a little bit more horsepower, going 180 instead of 150. Also got the trans tune, which is nice. The last truck I had the icing in it, so the icings are definitely harder to tune. But smooth shifting. They said some trucks like it, some trucks don't. My truck loves it, loves it. But yeah, the best MPGs I'm seeing right now is like 24, 25, which is amazing. But I mean, you got to keep it around 65. And that's not even drafting or anything. And then 21, I was running like 74, 75 for a good hour and a half. And just kept pinned it right there at around 20, 21. So definitely nice to see that. But yeah, so I do apologize. I haven't posted any videos. I've just been super busy, just working on this house, trying to get it to where we need it. Still got a lot of things to do, but it's definitely amazing to watch something that you worked so hard and just be able to see it come to fruition. So, hey, you guys, have a wonderful day. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, and look forward to some more videos, because I'm not going to leave you guys behind. I want to continue to post, and I just apologize. I don't post every day. I work a lot. So look forward to some videos, and hopefully we can get at least a couple videos coming this week. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good one.